a fan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be.
Okay, hello guys, second try of doing this video. And this video is not gonna be that long because it did kick me out. Today we're gonna be playing Ragdoll Engine, as you can see. So let's get right into this game. I meant to got a hammer, not a bad hammer, but really. Visit Dev Robux for Robux. Yeah, obviously it's not a free Robux scam. It's obviously not one. So why would it be? Why would it be a Robux scam? And this is no, it's just a scam. Don't trust those. I did trust one because they actually gave Robux. Oh my god! Ouch! Ow, that hurt. That hurt. Boom, 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 Czechoslovakia. Okay, we're gonna do. Wait, that's copyrighted. Oh my god. Oh my god, Baby Yoda. What? Oh my god, Baby Yoda. Baby Yodas. Baby Yoda, Baby Yoda, Baby Yoda. Is that the real Baby Yoda? Oh, he's a bot. That's a bot. That's a literal bot. That's a literal bot because he isn't moving. Well, he is moving, but he's a bot. Like, because he has to spam that. I'm black. Virus site. Virus site. Boop boop boop. Broken. Hi. Slash down. Oh, yeah, that's so nice. Okay, I'm not gonna do this for a long video. Exactly, Black Lives Matter. Yeah. Yes. Yo. Huh? Yeah. Sorry if this actually happens not often. Like a mouse appeared. Boop 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 boop. I don't think YouTube is gonna copyright me. Copyright claimed, haha. Trustful. Ouch! Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. I'm dead. Yeah, this one I knew. And a moment after I don't know what it is. Oh, GG's. GG's. Good game. Good game. Good game. Can anyone help me here? I broke my arm. Okay, thank you. Okay. I'm gonna end this video right now because why not? This video is for young kids only. So if you're an old person, just watch this video too. We need to do the dance for the outro. Bye. The